guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the magical weigh-in day. And I say that because I am excited. Okay, so all week I did not get on the scale one time because I had a 1 pound weight loss last week. And even though my weight has consistently dropped week after week after week, I have to tell you, I was super excited to see this week's, probably most of all, because last week was the hormonal time of the month thing. And like I said in my last weigh-in video, I never lose weight when it's that time of the month. So to lose a pound last week was monumental for me. And I know that all my other weight losses have been higher than that. So was I disappointed to see a pound? Not really. Would have loved to see it, be more, but understood, and my brain is not tied to the number, so I totally got that. So this week I'm like, I'm not getting on the scale. I want to see what I weigh in on Saturday. Well, you're gonna find out in just a second how I did, but I do want to clarify a couple things. One, I've been getting a lot of questions, people asking, if the meals are this many calories, you're probably getting, not enough calories, and the way that MetaFast used to be, and, so let me clarify, it's not MetaFast anymore. However, you can purchase some of the old MetaFast foods. It's now Optavia. Their foods have come up to the present day. New to the program that, is really good and up with the times is the amount of extra added fat they want you to get. So in my daily life now, I'm not only on the 5 meals that they give you and my own lean and green, I am incorporating, which is on plan, avocado and almonds and olives and all kinds of oils, and you can have a cup of almond milk. You can have, there's so many things. So if you're interested in finding out about the plan, let me know and I'd be happy to call you. You guys have blown my socks off with all of you that are wanting to jump on the ship with me, and I am so proud of the ones that have already started. Everybody is having these huge weight losses week after week, and I am just so proud of you. So if you are one of my clients and watching this, know that I'm so proud of you, and love the fact that we're doing this together. Okay, so I'll skip the rest of the stuff. Let's just get to the weight loss. So how did I do this week? Well, stepped on the scale, literally rubbed my eyes because I thought what I saw was a mistake. The lowest I have been, I can't tell you how long. Ready? Drum roll, please. That is right, guys. I am down another 2.5 pounds, making my total weight loss 17 pounds. What? Okay, I'm in shock. I know this plan works, and I know if you eat the food and stay on it religiously, I'm talking weighing out my food. Yes, I do weigh out my vegetables. I do weigh out my protein. I make sure that I use the proper increment. So if I'm weighing something frozen or cooked from frozen or raw or cooked, it's the exact amount that the plan says to have. I am having my condiments like they say. I'm weighing them out. I'm measuring them out. I'm following the plan. I'm drinking my water. I'm getting in some moderate exercise. Those are the components to this plan. And there are some of you out there that are asking me questions like, well, I really don't feel like weighing out my veggies, or, I wasn't really fond of this. Guys, here's the deal. If you want to succeed, you got to follow the plan, period. It's written out for you. You're spending the money. You have me free, that's cool. But you're spending the money on a plan. Why would you not stick to it? Why would you take a day or two off of it? If that's what you want to do, fine. But I don't want to hear you say, well, I didn't lose weight. You gotta follow the plan. If you have followed me for any length of time, and I mean going back before keto, I've tried every weight loss plan. I have been on diet pills and Weight Watchers. I did do MetaFast years ago. I did do Wonder Slim. And then I stumbled on keto, which was amazing. Then I had some health issues due to keto, and that is how I stumbled upon this. bottom line is no plan will fail you. It's you who fail the plan. Plain and simple. If you don't follow the plan, you're not going to lose the weight. I have not cheated or steered or not measured. I haven't done it once. I have religiously been on Optavia. That is how I am down 17 pounds. I can't believe this. I started April 28th. It is now what? June 9th. That's how long I've been on this plan. And it's phenomenal. So anyway, guys, that's my video for today. Message me below if you have any questions. If you're interested in the plan, it doesn't cost anything to have a conversation on the phone about it. And yeah, so anyway, guys, I'll see you in my next video. That will be the unboxing, which I'm so excited to show you. And I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Stay focused, guys. It's the most important decision you'll make. All right? Have a great day. Love you guys. Bye.